Nazdar lidi, mé jméno je Gabe, a vás vítám u dalšího videa a toto video nebude z Minecraftu, bude z fotbalu a je tu se mnou Kubajs.
Čau.
A budou se kopat trestné kopy a penalty. Došlo k penaltám, jak jste mohli vidět, tak už jsme dokopali a půjdeme na penalty, tak se koukejte.
Another party almost every night. High heels and makeup. Every week she's on another flight. Goes around, always comes around. That's her own life motto. Sunday California, Monday in Chicago. But it's cool, I'll see you soon. Loving all my tunes. Beauty walking the streets. A beast inside my room. Can't stay for long, need to write these songs. Work from night then back to dawn. Nothing's right if the feeling's wrong. So she's gone by the break of dawn. A broken heart but a stronger mind. In that girl is what you'll find. Staying high.
Takže pokud se vám videjko líbilo, zanechte like, odběr a u dalšího videa. Zatím čus.